Hello, and welcome to the video tutorial on how to use the SonyTech CMS control panel to manage the website and mobile applications from a common backend interface. You need to log into your control panel with the username and password as provided by SonyTech. You will always have the option to change the password for security purposes at your discretion. You may want to pause or rewind this video tutorial and test each module with your control panel for a better understanding. The tools and modules available in the control panel are listed under the left panel here. Since this is an actual control panel of one of our live customers that you're watching as an example, you may find some of the modules are different or may not be available under your control panel depending on the functionality and modules specific to your website and mobile apps. As you can see on the left panel here, the modules are divided into three subcategories. Website modules are modules that are specific to the website. Similarly, mobile application modules are specific to mobile apps only. The third category, the common modules, includes the modules and functionality which are common or shared by both the mobile application and the website. So let's start with the website modules only. First is manage header text. This is the text which appears right at the top section of your website. You can see the phone number. All you need to do is, for example, you need to change the phone numbers. You just select the text, put in the new number, and click Save. Moving ahead to change admin password. This allows you to change the password for your control panel. So all you need to do is just key in the new password. Just confirm the new password again and click Submit. The passwords will be changed. Going ahead into the Manage menu, this allows you to manage and change the navigation bar that you see at the front end of your website. So you can see a list of all the pages here. You can also change the sequence, the order of how you would want these menus to appear at the front end. The status, if you want to temporarily disable one of these menus to appear at the front end, you just click the green button once and it'll change it to red, which means it is inactive. You click back again, changes to green, which means it is active again. It also allows you to change the name of any of these existing menu buttons. So you click on Edit, the pencil icon, and you need to change it to, let's say, About the company. Change it. It also allows you to give an option where the users can click on this menu and a third-party URL or a third-party website, any other website, can open up. So all you need to do is just put in the target page, the external link, and you can click on open a new window, so this new website would open in a new tab rather than opening it in the same tab. Of course, you click Save and it'll be updated. Going back to the menu page, of course you can delete a menu. You can also add from the Add New button here. So it gives you the same options as the edit. You click in the new menu name, you key in the menu name. You can put it as menu itself. You can select the target page that you want the menu to be redirected to. So let's say for now it goes on to specials. You click on active, click save, it'll be added to the front end. Next is information pages, the info pages. So these are all the list of pages that are active on your website. We'll start off with adding a new page as an example. So when you click add new page, prompts you for the name of the page. Let's say new page. You can put a heading here, same as with title, meta tags. You can keep it blank, you can fill in, it's optional. So this is the content area. You can also use all the formatting tools to format the text on the page. You can change the colors, you can strike through. So all these options are available in the CMS that allows you to make the changes in the text, the body part of the page. It also allows you to insert a picture. You can see a tree icon here. It says insert edit image. When you click on the icon, you can select one of the pictures from your local computer. You can click on browse. You can select one of the pictures from your local computer and click open. It'll be added. You click submit, and then you can put a small description about the image if you want. So this works as an alt tag on the image, and of course you click insert and it'll be updated. Similarly, you can also add a hyperlink to any of these words or content that you have. You click on this link icon that you see, the insert edit link. You click on the icon. It gives you the field where you can enter the third-party URL. So all you need to do is just put in the domain name, the URL of the page, or you can select one of the existing pages that you want to link the word from. You can click insert and it'll be updated. And when you're done with updating the page, you click on submit here and the page will be added under the list of the information pages. Now to connect the menu and the information page, you need to go back to the menu and let's say you've created a new menu, let's say contact us. You go in and then you select the target page of the new page that you've created under the info page here. So you need to select that, and then the menu would be shown at the front end of the website, which will be redirected to that particular info page that you've selected. Similarly, going forward, manage footer, it allows you to change the footer links that you may have on your website. You can just add in a new footer link and you can link it to any of the existing pages or a third party from the link icon that I just explained. You can select one of the pages or you can put in a new URL under this section here and you click insert and it'll be added as a new footer button. So moving ahead to mobile application modules, all the modules that are listed under this section here, which means these are specific to mobile applications only. The first is manage about us, so you can change the text, you can add more about the company here, you can change the text. Similarly, if you have an FAQ section under your mobile application, it'll be managed from under this section, so you can add more questions and answers here. You can also put in a downloads title if there's a download page under your mobile application. You can add pictures, you can add a background image. You just need to take care of the size of the image that is recommended under your control panel. This particular application supports 320 by 455 pixels, so this image that you see here should be of this resolution, or else it would deter or kind of resize in the mobile application, which will not really look good. So if you use this size of the image, it'll look good, it'll fit into the mobile screen properly in the mobile application. And of course you click on the active status, update when you're done updation to all these sections. User details. This gives you a list of all the users, the active users who have updated their profile section under the mobile application. So you can see their name, their email address, phone number, the birth date, and anniversary that they've keyed in. Now the birthday and anniversary would be used under the notifications. We'll get onto that section. Otherwise, this is a very good tool for you to capture all the details of your active users, which can be used for various marketing purposes as well. Going ahead, set default language. This gives you all the list of multilingual languages that are supported by your mobile application. You see there's a green button here, which means the default language which has been set for your mobile application is English. So when your users download and open the mobile application for the very first time, the content that they see in would be in English language. You can change it to any other language that you want. For example, if you're targeting Chinese community or Chinese customers mainly, you can choose the Chinese language here, which will be the default, and whenever the application is first opened after the installation, the content would be viewed from as Chinese. But your mobile application users would always have the option of switching between the languages that they want to view in at the front end. So moving ahead to the common modules, now all the list of modules that are listed under this section means it is shared by the website as well as for your mobile application. The logo, for an example, you can update the logo from this section, which will be updated automatically at the website front end and the mobile application. Similarly, manage special offers. There's another section that is available on your website and the mobile application as specials, promotions. For example, you want to edit one of the existing specials, click on edit, and you can change the title of the promotion. You can select a date when you want the promotions to be available on the website or the app. So for example, you want this particular promotion to be active only from 1st of November to, let's say, 31st December only. So you select the start and the end date, and it'll be active only during the chosen dates. You can also browse the image for the special offer if you want from your local computer. Click on open and it'll be updated under this section. Again, you just have to make sure that the size recommended under your control panel should be followed so that the image is properly viewed on the mobile application. So you can also put any kind of description that you want to put for the promotion. You can put in the terms and conditions under the description here. You can also add a URL if you have more details on the promotion on your website or on a third-party website. All you need to do is just key in the URL name and it'll be available as a third-party link. Click on active, click submit, and it'll be updated at the front end. So moving ahead to manage categories and products, this is probably the main section of your website as well as the mobile applications. The list here shows all the main categories. You can add more subcategories to any of the existing main categories. You can also create a second level of subcategories as well. You see there's also manage products. So under this subcategory you can manage more products. You can add unlimited products. We'll go back to the main page. You can also change the sequence of how the categories should appear at the front end. Again, you can change the status here. You click on edit if you want to edit any of the existing main categories or the product subcategory. The description area, you can add more descriptions. You can add images that can be available as thumbnail grid to each of these products, and you need to select thumbnail and you can add more pictures. You also see there's an add to cart button. If your website supports the e-commerce functionality, there will be an add to cart button that will be added automatically under each product. So all you need to do is just select from the admin panel add to cart and the button would be added for each category. Otherwise you can showcase multiple images as photo gallery, as thumbnail gallery to each of the product displayed on the site. You click on save and this will be updated. Similarly, if you want to add a new category, click on add new. You can select which existing subcategory or level of category you want to add the product into. Otherwise, you can just select the parent category. You put in the new product name, put in the description here. Again, you can add pictures, text from the available tools here under the description section. You can choose whichever module you want to choose as a gallery, as an add to cart button, or a nested category. You can click active and save. It'll be updated right away at the front end. Moving further to manage testimonials, so this allows you to add multiple reviews and testimonials as your customers may have provided, which will be visible to all other users on the website as well as the mobile application. If you want to edit any of these existing testimonials, you can click on the pencil icon. You can change it. You can put the name of the person, and you can put a date if you want for your customers to actually see when the review was posted, and you can update it from here. You can also add a new testimonial. There's an add button on the right top corner, so it allows you to put in the review description. You can also put the date here. There's a specified format for the date. You can put in the name of the person. You can also put his email. And you can click save. It will be added under the testimonials list here. Moving ahead to notifications, you can send unlimited notification alerts directly to your mobile app users. So I'll take you through how to add a new notification message. You click on the add button, which is on the top right corner. You put in the notification name. You select the starting date for your notification, which will be the date when the first notification will be sent. You choose an end date when you want the notification to end. You put in a description. You can say whatever you want under the alert. Let's say you want to wish your users on Christmas. You can put in Merry Christmas. There's a fire time, so this allows you to choose a time when you want the notifications to flash in at your mobile application devices. There's also a time which shows the current time. Now this is a universal server time that is shown just for you to, as an indication what is the current time, and then you can calculate which time you would want the notification to be sent. So for example, we choose only 9 a.m. or let's say 9:30 a.m. So you choose 9:30. You can just type key in the type of notification that it is. Let's say you've put in as promotional. And click on active, click on submit, and you've created a notification that will be sent on the selected date and time to your mobile users. So moving ahead to manage inquiries, this gives you the information on all the inquiries coming in from the contact us page or the inquiry form that may be available in your website and the mobile application. So you get all the details about the person who has sent you a request or requesting for a quote, and you can reply back to the customers accordingly. So moving ahead, manage locations. This allows you to add unlimited number of locations and outlets, contact us information about your business here. As you can see, there's one location added under this control panel. You can add more by clicking on the add button on the top right. You can put in the name of the location. Let's say just put in new location. Latitude and longitude, if you know the coordinates of the latitude and the longitude, you can key in the values. The information, you can put in any details that you want to put in under this section. So you can put in all the text section here. You can also edit from the available tools. You can use the bold, italics, you can color it. So once you're done with it, you can add the address details, for example the street number, similarly the street name, the postal code, city, phone number, fax, email address, website address, and you can put in the business hours here. You can put it individually for let's say Monday, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and so on, or you can just put in as a common Monday to Sunday. Let's say this is how you want it to appear, so you can put in here. You fill in all the details. You can also add the Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, social media profile links, and click on active, save, and this will be available as an additional contact us or a location for your business. And of course, if you want to edit any of the existing locations, you can click on edit icon and you can change any of the existing information for your location. Click save and it'll be updated. If you want to delete a location altogether, you can click on the delete button. Of course, it'll ask you for a prompt. Click OK and it'll be gone. Or if you want to temporarily make a location unavailable, you can click on the status icon. It'll change to red, which means it is inactive, and it'll not be shown at the front end of your application or the website. So if you need any more assistance or help in how to manage your website or the mobile application with your control panel, you can always call us, or you can log on to our website www.sonytechapps.com. Thank you for watching.